Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canizzato here. Today we're going to be making Zuppa di Cavolfiore e Patate, which is cauliflower and potato soup. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. Okay, gonna drop the garlic next. Let it cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we'll come back with the rest of the vegetables. Okay, the vegetables are doing fine. I sauteed them up a bit. I'm going to put the plum tomato and try to break them up a bit. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.